I bought a Leica lens. Well, half a lens actually. I saw the front part of a Leica M Elmar 90mm F4.0 and noticed that only the rear focus part was missing. There are no lens elements in that part. Aha, then it is not so difficult anymore. I can 3D print the barrel and design a thread for an M42 helicoid adapter. Since this lens can be expected to deliver a high quality, it was worth spending a lot of time and attention on the additional elements to get even more out of it. I made an extra extension barrel to be able to get much closer for macro close-up. As we know, the inside of the lens barrels must be absolutely deep black matte to absorb any reflection. I found an excellent and very cheap solution for this. Toner powder from a laser printer cartridge. Put on gloves and smear the inside of the barrel with superglue. Sprinkle the toner over all the glue as quickly as possible so that everything is covered. Press the toner all over with your finger. Let everything dry for a day and remove any excess loose powder with an old toothbrush. You have created a great dead deep black coating. This toner looks like coal, but it is not. It is tiny plastic particles. The Elmar delivers excellent quality. It is a remarkably small lens and a special shape due to the extra long barrel. I have cleaned the lens elements and have not encountered any annoying things. This lens is now as good as new. $70 for half a Leica. I love it.